In this lecture, I'm going to talk about the difference between going to and well, right? Without wasting the time, let's move on and discuss it. But if you are new to my channel, please do not forget like and subscription to the channel. Well, going to and well are both used to talk about future events or plans, right? But they are used in a slightly different context. The first one is going to. Basically, going to is used for planned activity. Simply it means that when you decide to do something in future and you take a decision of doing something in future, so in that time you will use going to. For example, if I say I'm going to visit America next Friday, why going to is used here? Because the decision of going is taken earlier, right? So it is a decided activity, so that is why going to is used. And another example is she is going to start a new job next month. This is another example of decided activity. So the first usage of going to is plan activity. You need to remember, if you take a decision of doing something in future, right? So in that time you will use going to. It is also used for prediction based on present evidence. Simply you can say going to is also used when you predict something based on present circumstances or conditions. For example, look at those dark clouds. It is going to rain soon. So you can see in this example that going to is used to give prediction of rain because of present condition of dark clouds, right? So when you predict something on the basis of present condition, so in that term you can also use going to, right? So the next example is she is going to beat him. Again in this example it shows prediction because on the basis of present condition it is predicted that she would beat someone, right? On the other hand, the term will express future actions decided at the moment of speaking. Simply it means that when you talk and during talking you take immediate decision to do something, so then you will use the word will. So as we have said that going to is used for planned decision, so will is used for immediate decision. For example, I'll help you. In this example, the decision is taken immediately during conversation, right? You might be confused here, but let me make a scenario so you will understand it. Let's suppose a person comes to you and he or she says, I am in trouble now. And you say, don't worry, I'll help you. Basically, you have not decided earlier that you would help someone, right? But during conversation, you have taken the decision. So will is used for immediate decision. The next example is I will tell the truth. Again, it is an immediate decision, right? So I hope that you have understood the difference between going to and will. But if you have enjoyed this lecture, please do not forget like and subscription to the channel. And see you next time. Bye bye.